Today, we will be hearing about Nehemiah in Jerusalem, which can be found in Nehemiah, the 2nd chapter. And we will be hearing about rebuilding the walls, which can be found in Nehemiah 3-4. When Nehemiah arrived in Jerusalem, he didn't tell anyone that he was there. He wanted to see what was happening for himself. One night, he took a trip around the walls to see what state they were in. In some places, there was so much rubble on the ground that his donkey could not pass. The next morning, he went to the leaders of the people and said to them, "This is a disgrace. We need to rebuild the walls and make new gates. God answered my prayers when I wanted to come back here, and He will help us now." So work began on the city walls. Now we will hear about the rebuilding of the walls. Everyone who could helped out on the walls. But even now, the Samaritans tried to discourage them. "You'll never be able to rebuild those walls," they taunted. "You think you can pray to your God and it will all be done overnight? What sort of a pathetic wall will you be able to build anyway?" But the men of Judah turned their backs and carried on. It was hard work, but they refused to give in. The Samaritans were worried. They did not want Jerusalem to be strong and safe, so they plotted an attack. But Nehemiah divided his men into 2 groups. Half worked and half stood guard. Those who worked carried weapons. He told them not to worry, for God was with them. They worked from first light until the stars came out, always watching for the enemy. And in 52 days, the walls were finished and the city was protected. Next time, we will hear about how Ezra reads the law, which can be found in Nehemiah 8-10. And we will hear about the angry king, which can be found in Esther, the 1st chapter. Until next time, be blessed.